72 divided by 6 using the area model. First, draw your two boxes and label your place values. Then we're going to put our 6 on the side, our 72 on the inside, and if you need to, your multiplication facts. Then we're going to write out our steps. Does McDonald's serve real cheese? Divide, multiply, subtract, repeat, and check. Let's start in our first step, divide in our tens place. So what's the closest we can get to 6 or to 7? It's 6. We skip counted one time to get there. But remember, this 1 is really worth 10, which is important when we go to our next step of multiplying. 10 times 6 equals 60. Our next step is to subtract. 72 minus 60 is 12. Then we're going to repeat. We can't repeat till we bring up our next number. Now we're going to divide. We know that we're in the ones place, but we can't forget our tens that were left over. So let's see what's the closest we can get to 12 without going over. 12 is the closest I can get. I got that by going skip counting 2 times, or 6 times 2. 2 times 6 is 12. Now we're on to subtraction. 12 minus 12 is 0. Do we have anything left to repeat with? No. So now let's go on to check. Is 0 smaller than 6? Sure is. And since 0 is our remainder, we don't even need to bring up that 0 because it's not worth anything. So our answer would be 12.